In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create YouTube videos using InVideo AI. Now, one thing to note is that you can create videos for free, however, they come with a watermark. Now, if you want watermark-free videos, then you'd need to upgrade. So when you select upgrade, you see the different tiers that are available and the different benefits that come with each tier. So for example, the plus plan, right? If you want to create, say, 5 videos per month at the length of 10 minutes each, then this would be ideal because you can create 5 10-minute videos which equal 50 minutes of videos, right? Now on the free tier, you can only create a 10-minute video per week, right? So if you're going to create 2 videos, then you just have to split that into 5 minutes each, right? So let's get into it. So all you need to do now is just type the prompt of the video that you want and like the length of the video, right? So for example, let's say create a YouTube video on how to make money online in Jamaica. Then you can say make it 5 minutes in length. Then you can say make it 5 minutes in length, right? So that's my prompt. So now I'm just going to select generate a video. So it will take about a minute or 2 to generate the video depending on the length, right? Now here you have the option to use stock media or generative media. Now the stock media is like it will use footages from, say, storyblocks.com, and you can choose your audience, whether it be entrepreneur, freelancer, student. So in this case, let's select freelancers, and for the look and feel, I'm going to go with inspirational, and the platform is YouTube. Then all you need to do is select continue. So as you can see, the video is 5 minutes in length, right? Now let's hit play to get a preview.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Emar Morris, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to make money online right here in Jamaica. You don't need to hop on a plane or even leave your house to tap into the global digital economy. We're diving into the top 5 ways you can generate some serious income online, all from the beautiful island of Jamaica. So grab your laptops, a cold ting, and let's get started.
Sounds pretty good to me, right? And then all you need to do is select download. And again, it comes with watermark if you don't have a premium version. So to download with the watermark, you're going to select stock watermarks, normal, for the AI branding, and then select continue. So here it's preparing to download. So here the video is now downloaded, and that's basically it. So let's open. I'm going to use VLC Media Player, always.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Emar Morris, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to make money online right here in Jamaica.
Now, let's say you want to customize your video to use a specific. Now, the first video will be generated with a random AI voice, but let's say you want a more specific male or female voice. What you can do is select create scripted video, right? Now here you can specify the title. Also, here's where if you have a script, like you generate a script on ChatGPT and you wanted to create a video based on that script, this is where you'll come, right? So let's say create a YouTube video on how to make money online. Make it 2 minutes long. And when you scroll down, you have the different settings that you can choose. You can choose add subtitles, right? You can choose the language which you want the video to be in. Now here is where you can choose the type of voice. So let's say clear American voice. And if you clone your voice, you can add it here, right? So to clone your voice, you can select plus. Now for the footages used in the video, from the drop down, you can choose only generated media, right? Or stock media. Now the iStock will use additional license, right? So what I normally do is select the option that says don't use iStock. Alright, and for the type of audio, here you can choose between, say, YouTube library, storyblocks, or use the best audio settings, right? So you're gonna select continue, and then when you scroll down, you see this list of settings. So what I normally do is just copy and paste this setting in a notepad, right? And when I'm ready to create a video, I just specify the title that I want and the settings that I need, so I don't have to go to create scripted video. Now another key thing here is that here's another command: create a YouTube video using this exact script. So if you get your script from ChatGPT, you could just paste the script here and then have this command at the top of it. You don't have to go to create scripted video. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.